Let's learn how to enable your microphone in the Google Chrome browser. Firstly, you want to open the browser on your PC or laptop, and we will have to go over to our settings. We can do that by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and this falling menu will show up where we can see the Settings option. Select that button, and we will be redirected to our Google Chrome settings page. We want to find this Privacy and Security option at the left side of the screen and click on it. Now come down to this section until you see the Site Settings option. That is going to allow us to enable a bunch of things in Google Chrome, like the camera, microphone, location, and many more things. As you can see, the page should look something like this, and we will simply tap on this microphone option. We have two different options that we can customize in here. Firstly, you want to make sure that you select the microphone that you want Google Chrome to use. You'll maybe have your headphone microphone, your laptop microphone, or some other recording device, so simply select a default device that Google Chrome can use. If you don't see any microphone on this list, then maybe your microphone isn't plugged in or it's not working, so you have to check it out. Now, once you select the default microphone which you want to use, you can go over to this Default Behavior section and make sure that this Sites Can Ask to Use Your Microphone option is enabled or checked. This way, when a website wants to use your microphone in Google Chrome, a little pop-up window will appear where you can allow the site to use your microphone, or you can block that specific site from using your mic. When you allow the site, it will start using the microphone and you can use it for whatever you need it for. But if even this didn't help you, then you want to find website from this list at the bottom, and these are all the websites that had requested access to your mic, camera, and similar. For example, I want to allow the YouTube website access to my microphone. Select this little triangle option next to the website, and that's going to open all the site permissions. You can see the location, camera, notifications, and similar, but just make sure that the microphone option isn't blocked for you. If it was, then you blocked the website from using your microphone, and that's why it wasn't working. Simply allow the mic for this specific website, and that's it. Those are some methods on how you can easily enable the microphone on Google Chrome. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.